A broken bicycle has been idle in the warehouse of my husband-in-law in the countryside. Almost 40 years ago, it was also the only valuable thing in the family. Now it is broken. When the old couple got married. How many times did my wife say to sell it? Subsidize the family. But the old couple has always regarded it as a treasure. This is not my father-in-law's 70th birthday, which is coming soon. I don't know what gift to give for a while. And I suddenly remembered this long then took advantage of the family's not paying attention. Secretly took it back and prepared to put it. It was operated and refurbished after 3 days and 3 nights of unremitting efforts by the boy. When he delivered the finished product to the father-in-law's birthday, everyone was stunned. And the father-in-law was even more excited. All the memories of his youth came to Chen Zhao's heart, and boasted that he had found a good one. Also rewarded the young man on the spot. People are happy, and whether they are happy or not is next. Follow my camera. Young man successfully refurbished this old bicycle. A process you will see the whole. Have a deeper understanding of the parts and assembly process of the bicycle. Look at it. Even if a high-end, atmospheric, and high-grade exquisite bicycle is successfully refurbished, it is really impossible. It is incredible that you can't see that it has a history of more than 40 years. Friends, what do you think of such a unique repair technology? If you get full marks, how much are you willing to rate for the boys' technology for 10 points? Welcome to leave your points in the comment area. Friends who like your opinions, please like and collect them. See you in the next issue.